भारत माता की Honorable Shri Jagan Reddy ji, President of Bharatiya Janata Party Mr. Raju, and all the people's representative and officials sitting on the dais, my dear friends, brothers and sisters from Andhra Pradesh. जैसा मुझे बताया गया 70 के दशक में 1970s में इनिशियली आइडेंटिफाई हुआ था। वाई.एस. राजशेखर रेड्डी साहब ने इस प्रोजेक्ट को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए काम किया, पर दुर्भाग्य से 30, 40, 50 साल होने के बाद में भी पूरा नहीं हो पा रहा। जब आंध्र प्रदेश का रीऑर्गेनाइजेशन हुआ, मोदी जी ने और भारत सरकार ने प्रॉमिस किया कि इसका एक एक रुपया खर्चा करके इस प्रोजेक्ट को हम कंप्लीट करेंगे आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार के साथ मिलकर के। और उसके लिए जो प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी का कमिटमेंट है कि एंटायर एक्सपेंडिचर इज गोइंग टू बी borne by गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया, दिस इज व्हाट envisaged in the Andhra Pradesh Reorganization Act. Here I commit and I assure all of you sitting here that we are firm on our commitment, and we will stand beside the state of Andhra Pradesh and the government of Andhra Pradesh until this project is completed in all manners. Minister Jagan Reddy Garu and Honorable Chief Minister met recently, Honorable Chief Minister met Mr. Modi, Mr. Prime Minister, and that was a long meeting, and they have discussed everything about this Polavaram and early completion of Polavaram project. Again, I assure that this project will be completed in time-bound manner, and the first phase soon we are looking forward that this can be completed within a span of 1 year. All the project affected families, displaced families are accommodated well. This is our responsibility, both the government, state and central government's responsibility, that they are happy here, they stay happy here, they feel secure, safe here, and they have a very good life here. The impacts of transferring from displacement from one place to other place can be reduced as soon as possible. We wish all good luck to all the affected families and people of Andhra Pradesh. Thank you very much.